What are you doing? This is like the Super Bowl of skate events. The Ollie Challenge. Audio sync. Wow, that was really loud. All right, guys, we are very excited because today we're out here with the East 14 skate crew. And we're doing an Ollie Challenge between Eric and
Angel.
Eric versus Angel. First person to Ollie up that curb gets a Jamba Juice. Last person has to get pied in the face.
Oh, I'll do that. I'll do that. I'll do that.
He's so down for that. Okay, Ollie up the curb.
Okay.
Who's going first? You got a Rochambeau.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, Angel takes the lead. We're out here teaching these guys how to ride skateboards, and they said, we want to do a challenge, Aaron. If you want to do a challenge, challenge it up. Here we go. Angel is going with a lot of speed. First try, leave the feet on, Angel. Don't be scared.
Chicken leg.
Wow, he's got it. Popped it nicely, all the way up there. Look at the crew. They're like ready for the album cover.
You don't got that?
Bro, he's heckling in mid-trick. He said, you don't got that. Bro, what's happening? Slow down a little bit, Eric. Bend your knees, breathe. Bro, frontside board slide? You got it, you got it. I wish I could skate. I wish I could help them. Angel, relax. Okay, you got it, Eric. Eric and Angel are very similar. They start getting close to a trick and they get very excited and they forget to breathe. Oh! You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
That was it though! Yoshi down B. Eric has got to leave his feet on the board. Angel did fully commit. When you land up there, have your knees really bent. So Ollie, bend your knees and don't unbend them. Did that hurt? Knock the wind out of you? And that, my friends, is why you wear a helmet, elbow pads, knee pads. Be safe. You don't need to be dangerous. You can be safe. Paul has entered the chat. Paul in the house, first try, trying to take him out. He's like, yo, Eric, yo, Angel. Bro, you've got it. Leave your feet on there. I think what will help you is when you, before you pop, put your back foot back further so there's more drag, more slide. Yeah, there you go. Ollieing up a curb for a beginner skater is like a rite of passage. Once you can ollie up a curb, ride down a curb, you can skate anywhere. It's a big deal. Let's go. Eric, the back foot, leave the back foot on. Angel has been the closest to land, but I think Eric is looking a little closer now. Bro, keep your upper body straight, Eric. Angel's scared. Bend your knees, Eric. Bend your knees.
Hey, this is the one right here.
Bro!
I saw.
What are you doing? Angel!
This the one.
Oh. You want that Jamba Juice or not?
Ah, I'm gonna get that Jamba Juice.
Bro! He's literally not even alling. He's like 4x4 riding up it. It doesn't matter, just get it, you got it.
I'm about to get this Jamba Juice.
Bro, you could do a 50-50. The other thing I noticed with these guys, they get really close and then they like forget how to do it.
Right here.
You want the razzmatazz? Put your front foot a little more back so you got more drag, okay? Bro, you're literally...
I know, okay. It's my back foot, my back foot.
Give me that board. You're literally going like this. You're literally like olling, and then you would just land, but you go like this. No.
I know. Okay.
Commit, bro. You
next
got
one,
it.
next one. Next one's the one, watch. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
Again?
Get out! Get out!
You got it too. Just leave your feet on there.
Hey, watch
Yeah.
this. Give me that Jamba Juice, boy.
Oh! He literally was like this high above it, talking smack, saying, give me that Jamba Juice, boy. But then, what? No commitment. Oh, he's switching the board up. Angel, those trucks are loose.
I know.
Angel, you had
I
it!
got it.
Wow. If the pants get any bigger, we're not even gonna need to ollie. The pants will just raise the board into the air. There it is.
Hey, look, this one right here.
Come on. Remember, your upper body, where your upper body goes, the board will follow. Yeah, leave it straight, leave it straight. They get so excited they forget to breathe. Come on, Paul. Bro! What are you doing, Eric? Eric, you got this. Leave both feet on the board. Bend your knees.
Okay.
Land with your knees bent on the top.
This one's the one.
You guys also have to ride off the end.
I'm gonna do this one for you.
Okay, for me. For the East 14 skate crew. Follow us on Instagram. Angel, it's all in their head. Do you see it getting in their head? What happened?
It's because when I fell and landed on my butt, it hurt.
He full Yoshi downbeat that. I think this is the most skaters the skate park has seen in the last 23 years. Bro! You're literally hauling like this high over it. Commitment! Angel, what happened? You're getting nervous? Why are you getting nervous? Don't get nervous. There's nothing to be nervous about.
This for you, this for you.
Let's go.
This for you.
Oh! What happened?
I don't know, my back foot won't cooperate.
What do we need to do?
Lift it up.
But just leave it on there.
Actually, wait. Oh, wait, okay.
Just leave it on there. It's actually easier than what you're doing.
Like when I pop, leave it on it?
Just leave it on the board. I think you're scared that you're gonna fall, so you're stepping off just to be safe. Now, you just get over that. You're gonna ollie, you're gonna land it no matter what happens. You ready? You got it?
Yeah.
You believe in yourself?
Yeah.
It's like Neo from the Matrix. He's beginning to believe. Bro, you got it! Just leave your back foot on there. Leave the back foot on. Yeah. You know what maybe you should try? Is ollie into like what's called deck check. Just to practice leaving your foot on. Go really, really slow and just ollie onto like, yeah. Try it again. Now we're cheating because I'm teaching you how to do it. You're gonna like ride slow, start from further back and then ollie and then land like that. But leave your feet on. Don't be nervous, bro. He just goes all the way up. Eric, the birds have spoken. Bro. Okay, you're taking your front foot off. Why? Leave it on. You got it.
Early.
You got it. You gotta believe in yourself. It's the only step left.
Oh, I know, I saw. I
Okay.
didn't commit, I saw my foot.
I'm filming you now just to show you. All right, Angel, right here for the gram.
And Cairo, this for you. I'm about to make this for you. I'm about to make this for you right now. About to make this for you right now. Watch.
So you ride up and down, pop. Oh, looking good, but look at your back foot.
It's not staying on the
See
board.
how it's already bailing?
Yeah.
You gotta like purposely do everything you can to not let that back foot come off. Bro. Okay, let me show you what you're doing.
I got that.
Let me.
So you fell once, that doesn't mean you're gonna fall again. You got it. There it is! Stay on there! You got it. I think you need to go a little faster like you were before. You were so close. You're just not committing. Paul! You got it, Paul. Straight out of East Oakland. Oh!
I have that. One more.
Oh!
You got that!
You got it right off the end too, remember that.
Yeah! Oh!
Let's go! Now you got it right off the end. Just turn and ride off.
Free Jamba Juice.
Nobody saw that one either. Bro, you are popping like 4 times higher than he is.
Is that bad?
No, it's good. Just land on it. It's good, it means you got it. Keep those feet on there, Eric. Da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da. This is like the Super Bowl of skate events. The Ollie Challenge. Eric. Bro, you are so close. Yeah.
Oh!
Get your speed and then get your feet set up so you're ready to go. And then as you're riding up to it, look at the edge. And then you ollie and you'll just watch the edge go beneath you. Bro, Chicken foot. I need to make a t-shirt. Chicken foot, just with a chicken's foot. Brilliant? No? Tray flip up. Don't tap out, Eric.
I know.
Believe in
I'm just
yourself.
tired.
Eric, you got it.
I've seen your videos on YouTube.
Yeah, thank you.
The glass board.
Yeah. Yeah, thanks. You too. Angel. Angel got so excited he literally kicked his shoe off. First try right here. Oh! Oh! You got it!
One more.
That was it. Eric, what's your last name?
Manuel Lopez.
Eric Manuel Lopez. You land that ollie right now, young man.
Will do, sir.
Oh. Eric Manuel Lopez. First try.
Right here.
Right here, Eric. Yeah! Bend your knees when you get to the top. Right here, Paul. First try.
Oh
Yeah!
my gosh.
The determination of a champion.
Oh
You
my
got
gosh.
it! Bend your knees when you get to the top. Oh.
Paul is good. Oh, you good?
Come on, boy.
Oh, to be young again. He's gonna land it right here. I'm calling it. You ready?
No.
Yeah, 100%. Eric, what happened? You know what we need? Bag of your pants.
Back of your pants, yeah.
What happened?
I bailed.
Yeah. Tired? So you tired? Nope, not at all. Not even for a second. I didn't even have the thought. I'm exhausted just watching them. Right here, first try, every try.
Oh, you good?
You got it? You want to keep trying? He's not giving up for nothing. What do you think about that, Eric?
He's literally right there like he has
You
it.
got it. Do a couple ollies on flat, I think will help you. Yeah, good. You're way more than high enough.
Oh
There
my.
it is! I mean, truthfully, I already landed it. Probably like 3 times. Maybe it's too much to have him ride off to the side. Is that too much? Am I asking too much? You got it! That's it, boy. I'm telling you. I mean, that's pretty much it right there. I think he definitely earned a Jamba Juice. Maybe 2. Yeah. 3 more tries. When you land on the top, lean back and turn that way and ride off the edge. Yeah. This is like mid-90s movie in real life.
The price.
It's not about how many times you can get hit, it's how many times you can get up.
That's right. You heard that. He said it's not about how many times you get hit, it's about how many times you get up. I feel that.
Who said that?
Paul Garcia,
The GOAT.
the GOAT.
Oh! Oh! That was
Let's
good!
freaking go.
That man gets a Jamba Juice.
I still want to ride off of it though.
See the snake leg for Paul.
For Paul. You got it right here, boy. California, no doubt about it. I thought that that's what that song said, and my wife said, Aaron, it's California knows how to party.
Yeah.
And I was like, no, it's not. And I listened to it, and I was like, it's definitely no doubt about it. Paul Rodriguez, mini Paul Rodriguez in the making.
I'm gonna do it till I can ride off. Come on. I'm okay, guys.
You got it! He's ollied up at like 20 times at this point. Yeah. Tapping out. Never give up.
Never give up. Never give up.
I'd like to thank Hoka, my new shoe sponsor. Thanks for hooking it up out here. We got the new Hokas on. Hoka, show him your trick. That one. You ready, Derek? Board slide first try. Get his back paw.
Oh, I know the problem.
What?
I'm extending too early.
Yeah. Keep the knees bent. Land with the knees bent on top. We're gonna give you 3 more tries. Then we're off to Jamba Juice. Bro, you're right there. You did ollie up at like 10 times. Paul for president, let's go! Give me a P, give me a A, give me a U. Give me an O. What did that spell?
Oh! Alright, I'm done. Ow, my back. I'm done. That was good.
That was good. That was good. You killed it.
Third try, right?
You okay?
Yeah.
He's
but
got it.
I'm done.
That was so good, Paul.
I'm done.
Hey, at least you got a free Jamba Juice.
Better be a large.
What kind you want? Any flavor. Razzmatazz is the raspberry flavor.
Strawberries wild.
Strawberries wild.
Mango go-go.
Mango, a go-go. Pina colada.
Mango.
Mango? Okay, we got you.
Large mango.
That was sick. You slayed it. All right, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com.
Follow me. Paul_.510. Remember that.
He's about to be big.
I'm gonna go real big.
Sponsored.
Let's go! 510!